Let's begin. So come on in, mamas. Welcome. So take a seat on the mat and come to sit on a blanket. So when we come to sit, we want to make sure that we've got a little bit of lumbar curve. So just slip your hand behind your back and make sure that you've got a little bit of a curve back there. Good. And you're seated on the very edge of your blanket so that your thigh bones, so your femur bones are actually off the blanket. So let's just come to sit, let the hands rest on the thighs and let the eyes close. And we just take a moment, just allowing yourself to arrive. And as the breath deepens, begin to fill your belly with each breath that you take. So that with each inhale, the belly fills, and on each exhale, just letting your belly button draw back by your spine, just real gently. And then from here, bringing the hands into the prayer mudra at the heart. We're going to open our practice with the sacred sound of Om. Inhaling together. And bowing the head to the heart. Releasing the hands to the knees, keeping the eyes closed. And just bring the head back up to center. Again, allowing yourself to connect to your breath. And just take this moment as the belly fills with each inhale, just seeing your baby inside of you. So that we're reminded as we move through the practice, I want to keep the breath smooth and deep and even, just like this. And if at any point, if you feel like the breath is getting a little labored, or having a hard time deepening the breath, that's always an indication to come out and take rest. As you allow yourself to sit for another moment, be reminded that you share your breath with your baby. And from here, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. And again, with each inhale, the breath rises through the body, and on the exhale, the breath descends down toward the earth. So feeling your belly expand with the inhale, and letting the belly button draw back slightly on the exhale. And then from here, just taking this last moment as we just allow ourselves to sit still, to allow your breath to carry a message to your baby inside of you. So that can be a prayer, a thought. Maybe it's not even words, maybe it's a color or light, anything that connects you to your baby inside. And keeping that connection, releasing the hands to the legs. And on your next inhale, float the arms up, reach the arms up. And on your exhale, bring the hands down the midline. So follow the rhythm of your breath. Eyes can be open or closed, so whatever's comfortable for you. The arms float up on the inhale, palms pressed together, and down on the exhale. Nice, couple more times just like that. And this time, on your inhale, float the arms up overhead. Bring the hands into prayer mudra. And then from here, bring the hands down the midline. Let the hands come to rest at your lips. Then let your lips get really, really soft. And then just for a moment, if you wish, imagine that your lips are touching your baby's head. Just for a moment. Keeping that sweet connection, bring the hands back to your heart. And on your next inhale, reach the fingertips straight up toward the sky, and the arms blossom out to the side. So again, following the rhythm of your breath, arms float up, reach up, and down. Good. one more breath, just like that. And releasing the hands. This time, just bring the hands, palms face up. Then drop the chin to the chest. So we're going to just start with some little head rolls. Go from side to side. Chest stays lifted. So you want to do just half circles so that you don't strain the neck. And then drop the chin to the chest and bring the head back up to center. Good, let's take the arms out to the side. Now spin the palms up, get a strong external rotation in the shoulders, bend the elbows slightly. Close the eyes. Remember your breath, allowing your breath again to keep you connected to your baby inside of you. Then from here, go ahead and bring the hands onto the shoulders, and let's just start with some shoulder warm-ups here. So big circles, shoulder warm-ups. We're gonna go both directions. So let's go both directions. Good. And then from here, to set the shoulders, take the elbows back behind you and release the hands down. Good. Let's take the right arm out in front of us. So we're going to take the right arm out in front of us, take the left arm out to the side, and bring the arm down and around. We're coming into Garudasana, Garuda, the eagle. So the shoulders drop away from the ears, the elbows lift right up to shoulder height. Good. And then move the hands away from the face. So let the eyes be soft. Take any gripping out of the face, the jaw. And then from here, release the twist of the arms. Float the arms up. Reach the arms up like you mean it. Go ahead and interlace the fingers. Bend the elbows slightly and send the palms up toward the sky. Now drop the tailbone down just a little bit if you have a tendency to roll way forward on the front edges of the sit bones. You can bend the elbows slightly if your shoulders are feeling strained. Good. And then from here, releasing the hands, pressing the palms together, and bring the hands down. Let's do Garudasana, the second side. So take the left arm out, right arm goes out to the side, bring the arm down and around. So again, moving the hands away from the face, elbows stay lifted, eyes soft. Breathing into the neck and into the shoulders. And then from here, gently release the twist. Again, the arms are going to float up. Now take the opposite interlace. So take the opposite interlace. So sometimes it feels like you're holding somebody else's hands. Spin the palms up toward the sky. And again, if you need to, bend the elbows slightly. Draw the ribs in just a little bit if you need to. Eyes soft. And release the hands. Press the palms together and bring the hands down. Good. Once again, float the arms out to the side. We're going to spin the palms up. Strong external rotation in the shoulders. Now keep that external rotation and bring the fingertips to face forward. Then from here, reach the fingertips toward the opposite wall in front of you, and then take the head of the arm bones, pull them back into the shoulder socket. Do that again. We're stabilizing right around the scapula, right around the shoulder blades. Couple more. Reach the fingers out, and head of the arm bones, pull back into the shoulder sockets. Good. Now from here, press the palms together. Bring the forearms. Now do the same thing where you reach out and then pull the head of the arm bones back into the shoulder sockets. Couple more, just like that. Good. Reach out one more time. Keep the head of the arm bones into the shoulder sockets. And then from here, take the arms out to the sides. And this is where it gets fun. Go ahead and continue to move with your breath. Now you're welcome to move at a little faster or slower clip if you wish. Keep the elbows lifted. So the breath is steady. So using your breath to fuel the effort of the pose. So you can take rest if you need to, but the purpose of this posture is to build strength in the upper body. So what all of us mamas know is that once the baby comes out, they want to be held. So we keep the upper body nice and strong as we move through our pregnancies. So breathing into the neck and the shoulders, using only the effort required to maintain the shape of the pose. So if you're getting a little challenged here, welcome. Good. And then from here, let the arms come out to the side on your next inhale. Keep the arms lifted. Now we're going to work a little bit more internal rotation. So bring the palms to face the earth and then back up. So use only the effort required. Eyes can be open or closed. And then right here, use your breath. So be reminded that your breath provides essential nutrient, oxygen, for the functioning of your muscles. So the chest stays lifted, eyes stay soft. Breathe in to your belly. See your babies inside of you. Good. Then from here, take the arms out to the side. Oh, we're not done yet. Good. And again, go at your own pace. If it feels more comfortable to go a little bit faster or a little bit slower, find your own rhythm here. Now this is the breath that when the time comes, you will use to help support your body to open, to birth your baby. This is the breath. Good. Doing good. Stay with it. And then from here, taking the arms out to the side. Now without rolling to the front edges of the sit bones, drop the tailbone down, pull the elbows back. Gaze can go up as long as it doesn't strain your neck. And then swim the arms forward. So drop the tailbone down, lift the chest up, gaze goes up, spread the fingers wide. Good. So we're just swimming in and out of cactus pose here, and let the movement be fluid, using only the effort required. And then again, continue to float the arms forward. And inhale, open it up, pull the elbows back, chest lifts up. And exhaling one more time. Let's float the arms back, chest lifts up. Good. And then from here, bring the hands into prayer mudra. Let the hands come right to the heart and close the eyes. Releasing the hands down, gently open the eyes. Just give ourselves a little massage here. Good work, you guys. And then just a couple little shoulder rolls here. Ah.